Hi, my name is Darian, and I don't know what your name is because
And you are so retarded.
I don't know who's watching this because you guys are really stalkerish YouTube people. But I just wanted to tell you this. The sage is calling a dog, but this is my apple, and it's really delicious because I really like apples. And this is teeth whitening or something because my teeth look really. You guys know how I eat now. And I really like apples.
Dexter,
They're really delicious.
Hey, Dexter.
And
Here, let's go on the trampoline.
I really hope you guys don't hate me anymore, but you guys make me really sad when you hate people. So don't ever hate someone. But I'm going to post this on YouTube because I love you all and you don't like me, but that's sage
like
and I really like this apple. And
If
if you guys want to look at it, you can, because it's really, really good. And I bet you guys are craving an apple now, and you're gonna go get one out of your fridge unless you're like a homeless hobo person on the street. But I bet you're gonna go look and get an apple, because you really like apples. Because Sage is enjoying hers too. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and go get an apple now. Bye, love you.